Introducing the Ionmax Selah Tabletop Air Purifier, your gateway to pure and revitalized air in your home. With its contemporary and minimalist design and sleek matte black finish, the Ionmax Selah is designed to seamlessly blend into any living space, adding a touch of style while purifying the air you breathe. The Ionmax Selah tackles airborne pollutants with unparalleled efficiency. The compact air purifier is equipped with an advanced 5-stage purification system, which includes a pre-filter for large dust particles, an activated carbon filter for odors, a HEPA filter, a negative ionizer to refresh the air, and a UVC light to inactivate trapped viruses and bacteria. Its HEPA filter captures 99.97% of airborne pollutants as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, and even harmful bacteria. With a clean air delivery rate of 102 cubic meters per hour, the Ionmax Selah quickly and effectively cleanses the air in rooms as large as 27 square meters, making it essential in any small living space. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, nursery, or home office, the Ionmax Selah is suitable for any space where clean air matters. It helps to alleviate allergies, asthma, and respiratory issues, providing a sanctuary of health and well-being. Experience the difference with the Ionmax Selah Tabletop Air Purifier. Visit ionmax.com.au or visit your nearest authorized reseller to bring home the Ionmax Selah today.